Welcome to IMW Club. Are you ready for game-changing financial strategy that will help you reach 1 crore goal faster? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to discuss a simple yet effective plan to make your dream a reality. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe. Here we discuss everything about wealth creation. So let's begin. The core question for today is how you can reach 1 crore goal faster. It may seem like a daunting task, but with the right plan, it's achievable. The best part, you don't need massive income to make it happen. But you need systematic approach. At IMW Club we discuss about such innovative ideas and thoughts. So, what is the secret sauce? Systematic investment plan and power of compounding are the secret solution. Systematic investment plan or SIP. It encourages investment discipline. Its magic power of compounding with SIP in mutual funds. You must be thinking, how do you get to 1 crore with SIP? Here's the exciting part, if you start with 10,000 rupees investment per month, you can reach 1 crore in approximately 23 years with an annual return of 12%. Yes, you heard that right, in just 23 years, you can become a crore-patty. If market is down you may take 25 years but you will achieve your goal. If you want to know more about mutual fund then watch our video on Best Mutual Fund. If you want to reach 1 crore in shorter time of 15 years, then you'll need to invest more. For example, by investing 50,000 rupees per month, you can achieve your goal in 15 years, assuming an annual return of 12%. That's right, by investing 50,000 rupees per month for approx 15 years, you can reach 1 crore faster. Let's make it more interesting. What if you want to achieve your goal in just 10 years? Don't worry, I've got you covered. By investing 100,000 rupees per month, you can reach 1 crore in just 10 years with an annual return of 12%. Isn't that a wow moment? Let's summarize the strategy. SIP and long-term investment is an excellent option for anyone looking to build wealth over the long term. Whether you are starting early or late, there's always an opportunity to reach your financial goals with SIP. So, what are you waiting for? Bulb on the idea of SIP and take the first step towards financial freedom today. We hope you found the information useful and insightful. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Also, we invite you to subscribe, IMW Club, for more informative videos on wealth building. Remember, with the right investment plan and discipline, anyone can achieve their financial goals. Ensure you have diversified the investment. Consult with your financial advisor because mutual fund investment is subject to market risk. So start investing today and take the first step towards a brighter and more secure financial future. Thank you for your time and attention. Happy investing.